Happy Halloween! For this Tutorial Tuesday, I will go over some tips to have a fun and safe Halloween. Kids love the magic of Halloween, but costume and traffic safety are essential for trick-or-treaters. These tips can help make a safe and happy holiday for everyone. Two topics I will focus on are costumes and trick-or-treating. Let's get into it. To help ensure adults and children have a safe holiday, try following these costume tips. If staying out after dark, fasten reflective tape to their costumes and bags, or give them glow sticks. Opt for non-toxic Halloween makeup rather than masks when possible, as masks can obscure vision. Always test makeup in a small area first to see if any irritation develops. And remove all makeup before children go to bed to prevent skin and eye irritation. Lack of visibility because of low lighting at night plays a factor in children being struck by vehicles while trick-or-treating. It's crucial to keep these tips in mind when your children are out on Halloween after dark. A responsible adult should accompany young children on the neighborhood rounds. Many towns close some streets to traffic. Check your town's website or Facebook page. If your older children are going alone, plan and review a route acceptable to you and agree on a specific time that your children should return home. Teach your children never to enter a stranger's home or car. Instruct children to travel only in familiar, well-lit areas and stick with their friends. And tell your children not to eat any treats until they return home, and take care to avoid any food allergies. To learn more about other seasonal safety tips, head to www.nsc.org/community-safety/safety-seasonal-safety. I hope you found this information to be useful, and have a safe, fun, and happy Halloween.